In her rain-streaked bedroom, Lena lies listlessly on her bed, her face etched with boredom. An idea ignites within her, and she begins to paint with unrestrained passion. A small red ball materializes, glowing. Lost in her secret world, she dismisses Tommy, who retreats with a shadow of disappointment, unaware of the magic she wields. Under the dim glow of the bedside lamp, Lena sits at her desk, frustration etched across her face. She clutches the magical brush, its bristles appearing lifeless as she attempts to conjure a playful puppy onto the canvas. In a hushed whisper, Lena's desperation peaks as she questions, "Why won't you work? I should have shared you." Under the ancient willow, Lena holds the magical brush, its soft glow hinting at the wonders about to unfold. With each stroke, the vibrant playground materializes, and Tommy adds the swings. "See? Sharing really does make things better." Children drawn by the spectacle rush towards the playground, their laughter echoing through the village as Lena whispers, giggles, realizing the true magic lies in shared joy.